In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a section in a web page using a Hubspot theme. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll have the skills you need to make precise adjustments to your website content. It's all about tailoring your website to fit your exact needs, so let's dive right in and simplify the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot homepage. This serves as the central hub for accessing the various tools and functionalities HubSpot offers, crucial for streamlining your business's online operations. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login button. This will direct you to a login page where you should enter your credentials. Ensure that your details are correct to avoid any login issues, and if you happen to forget your password, there's an option to recover it too. After logging in, you'll arrive at the HubSpot home. The homepage gives you a quick snapshot and access to your account's full capabilities. From here, our next step is to navigate over to the content section. Click on it and this will provide you with access to all the content related tools available in HubSpot. This is where you control all your web content, ensuring everything your audience sees is perfectly curated. In the content section, you'll then want to click on website pages. Here is where all your web pages are listed. They are usually organized and easy to navigate, making it a breeze to locate the specific page you're aiming to edit. If you have a large number of pages, you might find the search functionality handy to quickly pinpoint the one you're looking for. Once you're in the website pages section, select the particular page that contains the section you wish to delete. You'll see a preview of your page, which helps you to visually confirm that you're working on the right one. Carefully scroll and examine to spot the exact section you no longer need. Now comes the critical step, identifying the section you want to remove. Hover over or click on the section to reveal additional options. You should see an option to delete this section crop up, usually presented clearly to prevent accidental deletions. Once you've confirmed it's the right one, go ahead and click on Delete Section. Confirm any prompts that verify your action to ensure the section is successfully removed. And there you have it, a leaner, more tailored web page that meets your specific needs. If you mistakenly delete a section, don't stress. Many platforms, including HubSpot, offer ways to undo recent changes, so you're not left in a bind. Thanks for joining us today as we navigated through these steps on HubSpot. Feel free to pause, rewind, or replay this video as needed, and remember, practice makes perfect. Happy editing.